Hello friend, welcome to Linux user. I am Pritam and in today's video I will show you how you can enable neofetch in your startup GNOME terminal. Okay, you can also apply for LXQT, KDE and others type of Linux desktop environment and other type of Linux terminal. The process is same for bash and fish. You can also apply bash and fish. So I use the fish shell. You can, if you use the bash shell, just do it for bash. Okay, so first of all you go to your config file. If you use bash, just type your favorite text editor. My favorite text editor is the micro, and go to the bash rc file. Okay, go to the bash rc file. Okay, so if you not use bash, just go to the config file at first. After that you just go to the fish shell and config.fish file. Okay, just hit enter and here add a line neofetch. Okay, I added already here. You just add the neofetch line here. Okay, and hit and save this file. Okay, just close the terminal and restart it. Just see how looks it. So in this video you will learn how to add your neofetch command into startup your terminal. Okay, so that's for all. See you in next video. Take care and bye bye.